Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, hello and welcome. This is Natural Good. If you are an existing subscriber, thank you for coming back. I love you. Today we'll be making this natural hair oil that makes my hair grow. Like, if you use this natural hair oil, it is so effective, it is so nice that your hair will enjoy it. First, I'll be going in with my hair cream. You can use any hair cream of your choice, you can use any pomade of your choice, but today I'll be going in with my Blue Magic hair cream with castor oil. This already has castor oil in it. I specifically picked this particular one because of the castor oil in it. You know, castor oil is good for your hair. It helps nourish your hair, it strengthens the hair, it makes the hair grow longer. So I intentionally picked this one when I was buying this from the supermarket. So I'll be taking like a few scoops from the hair cream. You can use as much as you want, you can use as little as you want, depends on the quantity you want to make. Then this is my blended cloves. I already blended it off camera, so I'll be taking a few spoons of these cloves. You can use all if you want. Like I said, it depends on the quantity, and you know, clove is good for your hair also. It is a good, and it's even for your health, your personal well-being. Cloves is good when you're losing weight, when you want to boost your immunity and the likes. You know, cloves is good for that. So talk more of your hair. Cloves is also good for your hair. It's just like you are giving your hair strength, you're giving your hair the full capacity through these herbal mixtures. So I'll be taking more scoops and adding to these mixtures because I just felt like, oh, this is not going to be, I need it to fully immerse in the oil so that I can have the thickness, the color, the full use of the cloves. So I added a few more scoops. So guys, I'll be taking this to the pot. This is a double boiler method, so I'll be putting it, I already heated the water to a large extent, like it was hot, so I just put in my this thing. At the point I missed that part, I thought I was recording but I didn't record it, so the whole mixture had already melted before I realized the camera was not recording. So anyways, I use this method. This method is quite easier than for you to be pouring it directly into your pot or your pan, because this method helps you not to overheat whatever you are boiling, double boiling, and it also helps you to retain the nutrients in the herbs you are using. So after this, I allowed it to cool for a while, and then I brought out my container. As you can see, you can use any container of your choice. You bring out your sieve. You can use a tight sieve if you have the plastic one, or you can use, this is a wick cap, so it's easier for you to access wick cap. You can easily access wick cap as a woman, so you can just use your wick cap if you don't have any cheesecloth. So, and in case you don't have wick cap and you don't have cheesecloth, just look for a scarf, one of your scarf, and use it for this. So I poured in my herbs, my mixture, and I scooped everything I can just so that I can get all the oils, and then I will gently squeeze. Make sure it is at room temperature, because sometimes I prefer the oil to cool, so, and not to be cold. I don't know if you understand that, so that I can get to use it as a warm oil on my scalp. Sometimes, you know, using it warm helps also to it helps your scalps to absorb it faster. And you know, while you are just using it, you just massage your scalp and gently, it's easier to absorb into the scalp that way. But you know, this is just an opportunity to use it while it is warm, because once it cools down, you cannot be eating it up every time you want to use it. So once you make this, I'd advise that the first use, try to use it warm, because you may not get the opportunity again until you finish using the oil. So this is a good mixture, and then I will just be applying this to my scalp. I poured some of this in my bottle, and guys, like, you know, our oils are ready. You can pre-order for your own oil, natural oils. it will help your hair to grow fuller. As you can see, my hair is very full. I have not been paying attention to this year, but recently, I think just this year, I've paid more attention to my hair, and I can see the difference. I think I started around December. I can see the difference. Even my edges are looking better and fuller, and all I've been doing is using this hair oil more consistently. I've been using it for my children, but somehow I've just been skipping myself a good number of times. So I've been using it more and more, and my edges are growing well, my hair is becoming fuller, and everything is just, as you can see, healthier. So I'll just be massaging this into my scalp and putting it warm. It is still warm as at this moment, so I'll just be doing that all over my hair. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. If you want to pre-order your hair oil, please go to my seller account and pre-order, or you can send me a message directly on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is on my page, on my channel page, so you can just check and chat me up directly if you don't want to use seller, because I think seller charges for the use of their site, so the price is a little not what I put there by myself, because they've added their own interest. So if you want the normal price, you can just chat me up directly, and then we can have a chat on my WhatsApp number. You can pre-order through my WhatsApp too. So guys, this is me just massaging my scalp. You can see how full the hair is. I'm so proud of myself. My hair is becoming fuller, and I notice my hair grows like every week. My hair is growing longer. And see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to pre-order your oils. I love you all. Bye.